Here we are, we're looking at a Torre kitchen mixer from about 2006. So it's 16 years old and it has been leaking. We've got leaks going on. We've got water coming out through the swivel points. So that's the O-rings. Take those out and clean them up and then re-lube them. Get some of the new lube. And so that's swiveling fine. But it was still leaking out of the top. So we use the Allen key. Take off the top knob. And the cartridge was leaking out of the top. They're $55 from Chester's Plumbing in Palmerston North. That's gone back in and now we've got no leaks, working perfectly. So they're all the moving parts. You've got two O-rings here. If they're not perished, clean them up, re-lube those. And then you've got your cartridge. Here it is here. This is the old one. And as you can't see, but it's very loose inside and it wobbles around. This had a code number on, KH35. So there we go. 16-year-old Torre, good as new now. And we'll tighten that up. Allen key. Good to go. Good to go.